Mm, amang'ana nara mange abeire Gusii County na Gusii yaito asa amatuka bwango iga abeire gagokorekana lakini inche buna Emmanuel mang'ana atarango kinonyang'ake egente egetang'ani ntete okwanera emaragobe yabono nenchera abana bakora amatemwa baito korwa chisukuru cha Gusii banyarire ko babakorera bobe egekorekeri chi invigilator ne chi supervisor bali batomire na NEC ntari bataya ng'ambo begotomwa mbuya batomire kere nsemo ya Gusii lakini enchera yarekanire ng'a bakore gas ne chinguru mono as chisukuru cha Gusii aba Gusii baminto mwenyore ng'a chisukuru chetu cha Gusii nchianyara gokora buya chabe chiokora buya asa amatuka amagega sukuru buna Gusii school nchimanyire weti abana emyaka sukuru buna Nyambaria boys sukuru buna Nyabururu girls sukuru buna Magenge mixed secondary school sukuru buna Kadnotunga Mosocho sukuru buna St Paul's Igonga sukuru buna Nyabigena chakorire bijana ende gokora chire biya sukuru buna Kebirigo boys sukuru buna Nyakemincha secondary school chisukuru chinyinge echo ntanya koba kingo kwana nkogore bono last year eskuru ya Nyambaria njakorete biya nabeta namba ibere lakini bono amatuka amatemo achakira amatemo manene obo tukibwa akorire gose embeo geteng'igwete ng'a abalimu bali batomire gorinda chisukuru echi babeire bagotumia chinguru chinyinge mono ase okorenda abana aba na kubarusia chianga kubaharas kubaha obwoba nende omanyete ng'a abana kero bakora amatemo mbatagete kogoswa bente babe conducive time erinde banyara gokora amatemo abo buya onde atari kobagosa erinde bakore buya baende university abandi baende TVET abandi baende ng'umbu erinde bairwanirire buno obogima bwode omonto akoirwanirira erinde anyakoba buya bono naroche abachumbe baito bakora Gusii bakore press condemn egekoreke na turi bataya ng'a condemn mbobe naende nabarabune gasi bari lakini bono liswali tokwebole ase kichi skuru cha Gusii chikomorekeru mono naende tumaete buna abana ba Gusii tari myaka oyomo emyaka emingi nebe neseng'encho machogu ale omo minister wechiseme na kiba komorekera chisukuru echa Gusii nimaete ng'a babongeri mbabete chi minister chechiseme twatwarire abarai abankuru Gusii batenenire twabere togokora amatemu twatwara abarai abanene kuru Gusii babongeri mbabeto Matiang'i nabete minister of education Machogu nero obeire n'echisukuru chetu cha Gusii chabe chiokora buya kerengaki lakini bono omwaka oyo 2023 amatemo amanene twarorire ebikore principal ya Nyambaria njateneniwe gasi chisukuru chikogosererwa balimu chief center managers are very afraid because of the humiliation egenderete eri bakunyara koba bawetera bono timaeti ng'a what is the real problem happen or I don't know what's your mind, what do you have about it, or what could this be? I want us to have this discussion. What is this thing that's affecting schools from Gusii region, Gusii, that's Nyamira County and Gusii County, where Form 4 students and the center managers are living with fear that anytime as a center manager your job is at risk. And those who have been given this job opportunity to come and invigilate and supervise these examinations are using more energy up to a point whereby they are sending students to an examination center, examination room, half almost naked. We had another incident whereby someone comes with a piece of paper and throws it down so that it be branded that this particular school has been caught cheating. I don't know. Abana abange bakuru Gusii region, abana baba Gusii babere bagokora bya bagotangana top 10 bagusii nturi kukobora a good top performing students abange, they are from Gusii region. Anyway, chengwe tanalinge na nyora ngenteke bono try kwanira andons na boranyolenga naigwa keguri asenchre mose ibere kiago chandi, it has disturbed you. Why Gusii region? Could it be a one way to make kalinde machogumintara kanabo? I don't know. So that's one of the things I wanted us to discuss. Or begin, let's go na kobe ensemo ya Gusii, but wait, I'm coming again to discuss in the kendi ya kabiri. Keo chanda, rogo ngorito Gusii.